జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 291st నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం భూత భవ్య భవన్నాథాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that all your supremacy, all your powers, all your divine qualities, all your wealth, always there with you all the time, like past, present and future. Every time it is there with you. It never disappears. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. ఓం భూత భవ్య భవన్నాథాయ నమః. ఓం భూత భవ్య భవన్నాథాయ నమః. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharadvaja Maharshi saying to Bharata, "Ho Bharata, I do know how good you are to your brother. I am very happy that you are following your brother. You are following the footsteps of your brother Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ho Bharata, I do know that what are the thought process that it is going on in your mind about Rama. I do know that how much of love you have towards Rama. I just asked because I wanted to strengthen, I wanted to make more strong all your thoughts about Rama, and also I wanted to spread your fame all over the world that you love Rama so much. For that reason, I asked you. Oh Bharata, now Rama is living on the mountain called Chitrakutam. Tomorrow you can go there. For today, you all stay over here." Then Bharata said, "Sure, Maharshiji, I will definitely do that." Then Maharshi asks Bharata, "I would like to give you all food today." Then Bharata says, "You already gave us some fruits and everything. We are very much satisfied with that." For that again Bharadvaja Maharshi saying, "Oh Bharata, I know you would say that that is enough because you respect me so much. Even a small thing that I do, you take it as a big thing and you feel that it is satisfied. It's not like that, Bharata. I would like to give food not only to you but to the entire of your army also. Kartum ichchami bhojanam. I would like to serve food to everyone." "Oh Bharata, why did you stop your army so far away from my ashramam? Why did you do that?" Then Bharata says, "Oh Mahatma, if I come along with my entire army into your ashramam, we never know what happens. Your yajnam, your yagam, your tapas and all the fruits and all the animals over here, all the trees, anything might get disturbed and anything can happen. We never know because I have so many animals also in my army. If something goes wrong, I felt that you might get upset, you might get angry also. That is why I stopped entire of my army somewhere far from this ashramam. Also, O Maharshi, I know that when any king or any son of king is going to visit some Mahatmas, Maharshis, Munis. They should not be taking their army, they should not be taking their security. I do know that. That is why I stopped entire of my army somewhere there and I came here. Then Bharadwaja Maharshi says, no, Bharata, you bring entire army, please. Then Bharata asked some people to go ahead and get entire army into that ashramam. Now Bharata, along with his mothers, all the army is there in Bharadwaja ashramam. Then Bharadwaja Maharshi entered into his Agnisala. Agnisalam pravisya adhapitvapaha parimrujya cha. When he went into the Agnisala, Bharadwaja Maharshi, he did 3 times achamanam. He wiped his lips 2 times, and then atidhyasya kriyahetoho visvakarmanam ahvayat, to take care of the entire army and Bharata and all the people, to make sure enough arrangements are done for the entire army and Bharata and all the people, to make sure all kind of wonderful dishes arranged for the food is arranged for all the people, Bharata and entire army. Now Bharadwaja Maharshi, putting entire of his power of tapasya, and he is now inviting Vishwakarma to take care of this total arrangements and total food arrangement for the army and Bharata. Bharadwaja Maharshi invoking Vishwakarma with all of his power of tapasya, and while chanting the mantras, come on Vishwakarma, please come here. Like that, Bharadwaja Maharshi inviting Vishwakarma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. From today onwards, 32nd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaha Pavanaha Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakritkantaha Kamaha Kamapradaha Prabhuhu. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaya Namaha. Om Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaya Namaha. Om Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaya Namaha.